Hey guys, Ryan here with MetalWorks. We're actually at Art Morrison today picking up our square body four-wheel drive chassis for a project that we are doing in-house at the shop. This chassis is pretty innovative and special, being a new offering for that application. Here we have the PSC steering box that is ported for hydro assist. This chassis will be hydro assisted to help steer those big tires. On the steering, you can see the high steer arms. That is actually keyed into the knuckle, not only bolted, but keyed to the knuckle as well, so it does not shear off in high stress scenarios. Also, double shear mounting for the steering linkage, nice and strong in every aspect. Fabricated housing from Art Morrison, built in-house. Also, all of the knuckles are built in-house at Art Morrison. So everything kind of a one-off piece there, running Curry third members on this to make everything work. It is a 3-link in the front with a panhard bar. We'll be running Fox coilovers paired with the Fox air bumps. Should be a good combination and keep the tires planted. Out back, this chassis runs a triangulated 4-link, so no need for a panhard bar. Also running a trailing arm setup. The shocks are mounted to the lower links, giving you a short coilover that you can run but still have good amounts of shock travel. Also Fox air bumps in the rear with a Curry third member and PRP limit straps to keep everything from binding and not drooping out too far. This chassis is on a 40-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss that is also on a KMC 17-inch beadlock wheel.